This is not real. This is totally fiction. Disclaimer: these tones might make viewers uncomfortable, or if you have any conditions regarding lights, sounds, or anything else that might affect a viewing experience, do not watch. This video is totally not real. Do not play this in public. This might cause confusion, panic. I do not want anybody doing this to themselves in real life. This is not real. I am the original creator of this scenario. This also might be disturbing to some viewers. If any of the stuff shown above applies to you, get off the video.
Warning, 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 warning. Be ready with a firearm in case of emergency. Be loaded with a firearm, as this anomaly is quite dangerous and very hostile. The telephone lines are reserved, as more calls than usual are going to 911. If you are in a real emergency, call 911. Whatever you do not try making a lot of noise, as the Department of Anomalies has put a signal so they can't hear this. But stay quiet, and if you hear banging on your door, hide. Department of Anomalies.
Log 1. I hear no cars. I hear nothing. It's just awfully awkward in silence. And the only time I've seen the Department of Anomalies was when there was this house-eating monster. But that's all. I can't take a shower. I can't even do local hygiene. Just sucks. Can't even be kept entertained. I'll update this log if anything happens. Log 2. It's been 3 days. I heard a new noise scratching on my door. I don't know what it is, but I'm following the broadcast. I am currently hiding in a closet with some food and water and ammo in my gun. There's been hundreds of TikToks, YouTube shorts. Social media is just blowing up about this. Everybody's phone. No one dares to make a sound, and we're silent texting.